Life's highs and lows are echoed in today's text from Kohelet, so often read at funerals. There is an appointed time for everything, and a time for every affair under the heavens, a time to be born and a time to die. The author knows that everything has its purpose, but feels that own life has grown repetitive and monotonous. His mood might have been lighter if he had shared the belief of the early Christians that here we have no lasting city, but seek one which is to come. The Gospel sees a supremely new moment in the coming of Jesus, whom Peter's faith proclaims as the Messiah. This was an important episode which is reported in 3 of the Gospels. Like Mark, St. Luke makes no mention of Peter being appointed as the rock, to whom Jesus entrusted the keys of the kingdom of heaven. Biblical scholars treat the famous words about the primacy of St. Peter as an inspired, post-resurrectional interpretation of Peter's role in light of the wonderful ministry actually carried out after the resurrection. Strangely, Jesus prefers to call himself Son of Man rather than Messiah, for it was better suited to express the kind of Messiah he would be, foreseeing the hard sacrificial life or sacrificial end of his ministry. The Son of Man came among us to serve, not to be served. And this is a lesson that Peter and the 12 and all of us must learn again and again, that we learn to serve others as Jesus served. Let's pray for this grace for one another.